I've already shown you how to do gradients on your background, animated, and even your text. But what if you want a mixture like what we see here? We've got white text, but color text, we have a gradient. It is so simple and easy to do this with a tiny bit of HTML, and you can modify it and mix it up even more as much as you want. And by the way, you can do this on headers, text editor, anywhere where you can drop the code in. It is so simple. I've spaced out the code a little bit just to make it easier to read. I have the words I am right at the top. Right at the bottom I have and I'm just a bunch of text in a normal style color. Okay, so I've got a white text before and after. And in the middle, I've got span style, background linear gradient, 135 degrees. Look, if I take away the 135 and I change to 90, is it a 90-degree angle now? To put it back to 135, so you can modify that, have it going whichever way you want. I've then put two colors, 40% and 50%. I've got red and I've got orange. If I make the percentages match, I'll get the hard line. Can you see that? A solid gradient fill. So I've just mixed it up a bit with a 40%, so there's a bit of a blend going on there. I could even drop it even more and go with 20%, so depending on how much you want the gradient to be. The other thing to add though is that if I just do a comma here, and I do hashtag, and I go with 0000FF, okay, and I now say 80%, at the 80% point it will now start to blend into blue. So you can have more than one color. Sorry, more than two colors. If you want to have 10 colors, which I don't know why you would, but if you wanted to have 10 colors, you could apply that, okay? So you can be quite creative with what you do here. We then have web background clip text and we have transparent. Now watch what happens when I remove them. You get that. The gradient is now like the background and the text is still white, but by adding these in, it's doing what it says. It kind of clips the text and makes it transparent. So that's the effect you're getting on there. So I'm just showing you if you didn't want to have that and you wanted to actually have a gradient background for the words, you could do that as well. And then we just got the words color text. And if I was to modify this and add some more words, and it's going to add it to it, taking into account the percentages as well. And then we close off the span. And that's literally it. I've only done a grey background so the text stood out. Now, if you're worried about the white text, if you go to style for your heading, this is where you can, this is now going to be controlled by your normal style options, just like your text as well. So if you want to make it bigger, smaller, the weightings, whatever you want to do there, okay? So it's all standard stuff, but the only extra bit is this bit of code here, which you could apply in text editor as well. Hey, I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow, and I'll keep seeing you.